Hi, this is Sridhar Deshni. Today topic is the American President Joe Biden swears in his new appointees and staff. If you are ever working with me and I hear you treat another colleague with disrespect, talk down to someone, I promise you I will fire you on the spot. On the spot. No ifs, ands, or buts. Everybody. Everybody is entitled to be treated with decency and dignity. That's been missing in a big way over the last 4 years. But once that they must first lead with respect, and we have to restore the soul of this country. And I am counting on all of you to be part of that. And it's not hyperbole. The only thing I expect with absolute certitude is honesty and decency. The way you treat one another, the way you treat the people you deal with. And I mean that sincerely. Remember, we people don't work for us, we work for the people. I work for the people. They pay my salary. They pay your salary. They put their faith in you. I put my faith in you. And so we have an obligation. We have a chance to change things for the reason I got involved in politics. When I was a kid at 26 years old, running for a local office to try to change redlining. I really mean it. So you should not be doing this unless you feel it. I always say a simple proposition. I trust people more who the idea and the concern starts in their gut, goes to their heart, and is be able to be articulated by a good brain rather than the people who thinks of it intellectually but never feels it. The people you can count on are the ones it starts from the gut, works their way to the heart, and have the intellectual capacity to do what needs to be done. And so, folks, we have a lot going on. We have a lot of opportunities. We can meet this existential threat of climate change. I really believe it. Again, the world has figured out, the United States has figured out. Wow, it makes a gigantic difference. Makes a gigantic difference. These unseen threats, air you can't breathe, living on fence line, communities, and the like. So much more we can do. We have such an awful lot to do. But I know you. I know your heart, your dedication, and your commitment to this nation. And I know you can do it. And we are gonna do it by leading with one core American value: humility and trust, collegiality, diversity, competence, and family. And I want to thank you, our families, for their sacrifices. But I'm not joking when I say this. If you are ever working with me and I hear you treated another colleague with disrespect, talk down to someone, I promise you I will fire on the spot. On the spot. No ifs and or buts. Everybody is entitled to be treated with decency and dignity. That's been missing in a big way over the last 4 years. This is the stimulated message to the staff and the delegates of Americans. Thank you.